Well, let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the local bourse. And of course, something that is of heavy influence on the JSE and the Rand is the Chinese economy. And we did have Chinese authorities coming up with more stimulus measures to try and shore up that economy that has struggled for the longest time. These include cutting key interest rates. So looking at how the JSE has performed on the day, on the red, declining almost 0.6%. That largely coming from the industrial 25 complex that's taken a knock of almost 1.5%. Financial 15 slipping by 0.14%, but bucking that trend slightly is the resources 10 complex, 0.05% above that flat line. Let's take a look at the market stateside, where we are awaiting the Fed's latest interest rate decision. That should be coming at around 8 p.m. South African time. Of course, we still have results trickling in. One of those being Disney. It did beat on profit estimates, also raising its guidance for the full year. But a mixed picture on that front. The S&P 500 relatively flat, down by 0.01%. Take heavy NASDAQ declining by 0.4%, but in the green is the Dow climbing 0.5%. Let's take a look at the markets across the Atlantic. Investors digesting retail sales there for the Eurozone in March that took a slight dip. Also more results coming in. Novo Nordisk beating on analyst estimates on its first quarter results, but cutting its full year 2025 guidance. Then we did have German car maker BMW, actually its revenue coming slightly below expectations, but actually confirming its full year guidance. A sea of red on that front. FTSE 100 declining by more than 0.5%. A loss on the CAC 40 just shy of 1%, and the DAX taking a loss of 0.46%. Let's check in on the currency scene and start off with how the Rand is doing against some of the major currencies. Remaining pretty stable against the US dollar at 18 Rand 23, the Rand against the pound at 24 Rand 33, and against the euro at 20 Rand 68. Let's take a look at how the other currency pairs are doing, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.13, pound dollar at 1.33, and the yen at just above 143 against the greenback.